how does Marketing Evolution support customers in advancing their knowledge of the software, its new features, and how to apply insights to improve revenue and profitability? Natasha, your thoughts here.
Thanks for the question, Kristen. We train to enable our customers and their agencies, teams, to leverage the insights that are generated through our platform, to how to activate on those insights, and then leading back to the validation and continuation of the test and learn experimentation cycle that Dr. Cohen shared earlier. And we do this as a joint effort between our training teams and our account teams, who are the best users of the software, with support from research and analytics, as John just pointed out, our product teams, and others within the organization. And we're providing training support throughout the course of our relationship with the customers. Initially, we provide training during the implementation phase using demonstration data. This enables our customers to get an early jump on understanding the functionality and the application of the software. We include scenario planning, as Dr. Cohen mentioned, the what ifs, using many of the different levers within the platform to help drive insights. We do this through individual and team exercises, and we again, once the customer data is running live and flowing through the system, we come back and we reapply and advance the learning that was delivered during the demo phase, the demo training phase, and we then go deeper to help the users understand what the insights are generated now from the customer data. So, for example, what are the specific customer geographies, demographics, the KPIs that we're working towards, and how to use the different tools within the platform, such as goal seek and budget variables that can be used to advance both long-term and short-term activation. John referenced RACI earlier, and we also use this tool to support the training efforts. We really encourage those who are responsible and accountable, the R and the A within the RACI, those that are responsible and accountable for in-market media planning and activation, to attend these trainings. So those are what we might term your core users, but also for those who are approvers and organizational leaders, those that are consulted and informed, so that they, of course, understand what the tool enables from their teams to drive insights and activation from the capabilities overall. We also encourage the inclusion of extended team members, such as buyers who are doing the activation, and the creative team members who are actually building and developing the advertising, so that they too can leverage the insights generated by the platform. So buyers have a great application in getting into understanding what the cost per conversion may be, and how they can look across the different providers to negotiate a better pricing, for example. It's very much a direct response model in thinking, and how the creatives can look at insights by message and creative strategy. So this is what John also cited, a nice application of the integrated team meetings, where the buyers, the planners, creative people, the customers can get together to continue to develop test and learn hypotheses, and actually run it through the scenario planner to see what makes sense from a business perspective and an in-market perspective to actually go and activate on. So it's a great ideation tool as well. We're continuing the cycle of refining and improving ROI through the platform. So this is a way to help drive the understanding of in-market performance and what we can do to predict what that outcome could be. We also conduct the training in many different modal ways, especially important at this unusual time. So we provide web-based training. We will be, again, providing in-person training once we pass through this very dark corridor. And we always have training available via our learning management system. So it's an always-on system that customers can and their teams can avail themselves on. For the in-person and web-based training, we really like to make it fun and competitive to really ingrain the concepts and the facility of the tool, facility and utility, using a really nice testing and polling system as well. So we like to create a little bit of competition to help drive that forward. It reinforces the application of the software and the insights that it can provide. So in summary, really, Kristen, our goal is to support user enablement, customer profitability, and an environment of ongoing testing, learning, and validation.